Hey guys, this is Jen from This Mama's Kitchen. I'm just tidying up the kitchen before I get in to the kitchen. I'm going to start today by making some homemade beef broth. So we're going to roast the bones and then we're going to make the broth from scratch, and I'll show you how we do it, okay? So I'm going to start by just disinfecting everything. This is just a bleach spray that I use. It's already been done after my last cook, but I always do it in the beginning and end of every time I'm in the kitchen. That way things are as clean as possible. And yeah, I'm just going to get that done quickly. I'm not used to doing these videos, but it's fun, you know. I'm enjoying setting up my kitchen, you know, the way that I like it. And this is just a regular kitchen, but I've had the extra sink installed, so I've got 2 sinks, one with 2 basins and one with 1. So I've got 3 basins to work from, so I can sanitize as I go when I need to. You know, if I'm ever working with raw meat products of any kind, then I always sanitize everything that I've used to, that I've used in that process. You know, I mean, it's nothing fancy, but it's all mine and I love it, so that's kind of fun. I'm going off camera, sorry, for two seconds just to grab the garbage. So just wiping everything up. I swept and mopped the last time I was in the kitchen. Just making sure the surfaces are clean. And I'm a little bit of a clean freak, so sometimes I'll do it a couple times just to make sure it's clean, you know, because I load things in here, you know, all my groceries and my food and everything. I've just got my little station sorted out over here, which you probably can't see it very well, but I've got a little whiteboard and a little shelf to hold like my pen, my dry erase marker and my pen, and I love being organized, so to me that's like, this is a lot of fun. I got my little shelf here, I put my phone up here and my ear pods. You know, it's just fun for me. Important to feel like you have a fresh start every time you cook, so you know everything's clean and ready to go. Okay, I bought a bunch of spices, which might be kind of hard to see. No, I guess you can see it. I'll maybe bring it closer, a little bit closer, so you can see more of what's going on here. Anyways, we're heading into the fall season, so 'tis the season for herbs. I mean, it's always the season for herbs, but sort of those Italian sort of flavors. So I've got dry thyme, and I still buy fresh herbs for when I'm cooking, but I like to fortify with dry herbs too, depending on what it is, what the dish is.